Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to add games to the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Start by opening up GeForce Experience. As you can see here, I now have 4 games listed. 3 of them have a little green icon in the top left corner. 1 doesn't. This shows if the game is compatible with GeForce Experience or not. Now to add a game, go to Settings and choose Games and Apps. Sometimes it's enough just to scan for games again. This depends on where the program files of the game are located. If scanning doesn't add the game you would like to add, click on Add under Scan Location. Next, look for the program files of the game you would like to add and click on Select Folder. Finally, just scan once more and the game will be added. As you can see, I now have 5 games listed. Thanks for watching and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.